This is Pradeep Kumar. This is to tell you the way of how to install NS2 in Linux Mint 16 64-bit operating system. So Network Simulator is quite a good software for research in networking. Particularly, you can able to do simulations of various networks like wired, wireless, satellite networks, and communications, antenna, and all other protocols, routing, performance analysis, everything you can do using NS2. So NS2 is a pretty old software which has existed right from the 1995 or so. So installation of this software in Linux operating system always seems to be tedious process. So this video will take you to the installation of NS2 in Linux Mint 16 version 64-bit. First thing is I have the executable file with me. I mean, this is the file tar.gz. So I am going to do everything in the command prompt. So first I will do this. So the command to extract is zxvf ns, and here is my extraction. So either you can do using graphically or you can try using the terminal. I am using the terminal. Once the command is over, it will create a folder called as ns all-in-one 2.35 folder. Just go to this folder, and there may be a error in the link state. This error will be shown if you are using new compiler, because now our Linux Mint uses in a new compiler, but whereas the NS2 software is been launched in 2011, so it's almost 3 years elder than this Linux Mint 16. So there is a miscompatibility in incompatibility in the C++ version. So there will be an error in this file ls.h. I'll show you what is this error. So the file called as ls.h, which is there in the link state, which again there inside this ns 2.35. So you open this file using gedit. So once you open this file, so here in line number 137 you can see this. So you see the mouse cursor in line number 137. In this erase has to be changed to this dot erase. This is the only change that we have to do it in the compilation. So if you don't do this during installation, it will throw you an error. So we are avoiding this error, and then I will just type this /install. Now this installation will take from 5 to 6 minutes based on your RAM speed and other process. Yes. So once it is installed, you will get a screen like this. So this indicates that the NS all-in-one package has been installed successfully. So you can get a message like this, but still we cannot confirm that all the packages whether they have successfully installed or not. But the network simulator, the network animator would have been installed successfully. So now we need to set the path which is provided by the software itself. Now we can read some statement saying that please put home Pradeep Kumar NS all-in-one, this bin, and second path and the third path into the path environment. So we have to paste these codes into the path environment. So what we can do is we just copy these codes. The Control C will not work in this terminal, but Control Shift V C you can use it. So what we will do is from here to here, better you make a right click and then copy it, and then you open the gedit. So there is a file called as .profile in Linux Mint. So if you want to use Ubuntu, then you can use .bash rc. If you use Fedora, you will be using .bash_profile. So open this file. In this file there is a path variable will be there. So it's already set export path equal to $path : and here is the path. So what I do is I'll delete these things and include my path here. Control V. So whatever I have copied there, I have just included it here. So now this is what my path. So once the path is set, I close this window, and then to execute the path immediately I can use source that file name. So once it is done, then I put ns. It indicates a percentage symbol indicates it is installed successfully. To come out of it, press exit, and type NAM. So it shows you the network animator window. Close it, and there is one more software called as Xgraph. And if the screen is waiting for inputs, then it assumes that Xgraph installed successfully. So we have done the three softwares NS, NAM and Xgraph, which is enough for any researcher to do this work. So this is how the installation of NS2 under Linux Mint version number 16, 64-bit operating system. Thank you.